Say this is a nightly ritual for me. Every night when I'm at QVC and after I come off the air and I wash my face, I always use a peel pad. Okay, so let's talk about it, because these peel pads, her advanced firming facial pads, are almost as popular and as famous as Hydro Shield. You're gonna get 2 jars. There's 100 of them in each jar. They're pre-soaked, it's clean beauty, and we've sold 2.4 million pads, jars of pads. This is a buy one, get one free. 1 jar is $48. According to our value bundle, you're getting 2 for the price of 1. You use them at night, so real easy before bed. And the last time we had this on was May of last year when it sold out. So, peel pads.
Peel pads. Give me a handful of days. I am changing the landscape of your skin. I'm changing the texture. I'm shrinking the look of pores. I'm deep cleaning your pores. This little pad is truly a master. It exfoliates your skin to perfection. It gets rid of dead old skin cells that make you look old.
Can I show yours? Mine won't open.
Yes, yes, okay. Absolutely. Okay, so exfoliates your skin to perfection. It brings fresh, young skin cells onto the surface. And all you do is at nighttime, as you said, wash your face, take out the pad, and start to wipe. And now you have to promise me that it's not just 1, 2, 3 and you throw it away. You are spending a half a minute to a minute going back and forth. Where you see pores, you go back and forth. Where you see lines, especially forehead lines and tough lines, go back and forth. I am changing the landscape of your skin.
So so these are amazing. There is so much liquid in them that if you feel like you still haven't done and bring it all the way down here, do it on the tops of your hands. They are gentle enough to use every single night before bed. These are the results. And then, Doc, can you explain the ingredients fueling these results? Because a lot of peel pads can tingle or sting. These don't. But look at what it did.
Look at what it did. Look at the pore size on the before. So much larger on the after. There's a refinement to your skin. And that is because the pores are clean. The pores have shrunken from view. Here, nasolabial fold, the toughest line to get rid of. Look at how much shorter, how much more shallow on the after. And then on the chin, you see that shadow, that longitudinal shadow on the before? That shadow represents something very untoward. It's basically, some laxity of skin. Look at on the after. The shadow is much less. That means that the skin has vastly improved. There's a little line at the corner of the mouth. Look at the one on the before, much deeper. On the after, it is much less. It's really, really difficult to accomplish a visible change on deep-seated lines like this. And firming facial pads can do that. Now, this is very slow-moving, but let's have some patience here. So 80% of them says, yes, my skin feels more firm, more elastic. My pores, goodness, I can't.
It's okay. It's all right. I feel you. Your pores are deep cleansed.
Yes, exactly.
Tone. 90% of people said it was like their skin had received kind of like a toned feel and look. These are pre-soaked. You wipe them all over face, neck, and neck right before bed. You don't rinse off the solution.
Do not.
It is witch hazel and aloe, and then glycolic acid, which is removing dead skin.
Yes.
Reveal the glow. You are getting 1 jar for free, because together 2 jars should be almost $100. And because there's no auto delivery, you're welcome to load up. Whenever we bring you a value bundle where it's a buy one, get one free, people go a little nutty.
Yes.
I feel like we talk about like people pre-cleansing. Yes. I feel like this is my post-cleanse.
That is correct.
Like I love it after I cleanse, just because I feel like it removes the final, if there is oil or residue, and imparts at a time when my skin is cleanest to receive it, because I just cleansed, imparts these firming, potent ingredients that then sit on my skin because you're not rinsing this off and are doing like so much work while you sleep.
Exactly. Glycolic acid is a classic. It is a powerhouse. And this has perhaps the highest glycolic acid content in the industry, whatever is legal. Now, this is a breathtaking slide for several reasons. First place, look at the little lines on the before. Numerous, many, many, many. On the after, far fewer and more shallow. But look at the color. On the before, it's yellow, sallow, dead old skin cells on top. On the after, the skin came to life. It is pink. It is much more younger looking. And look at here, pore size. That is an amazing picture when it comes to pore size. Now, don't forget, if you don't deep clean your pores every single day, the pore grows bigger and larger and larger and larger forever.
How nice of it.
So it's
How nice
really
of it to do that.
one of the most important things you have to do is deep clean your pores, and that's exactly what you'll go. This will shrink the look of pores. This truly changes the look of lines and wrinkles, changes skin texture. This is such a powerhouse. I cannot possibly live without it, honestly.
I take a pad and I just go.
Me too.
Right,
me
this
too.
is my
right
worst
there.
area, even with Botox. I can't get rid of the #1. And I would just take a pad and go like,
Me too, me too.
I mean,
and you fight.
I mean, it's just, it's like spot treat. Go into the really areas where you're like, ugh. And that, you're leaving the solution on, press it into the skin, throw the pad away, go to sleep, or follow with your night cream, and
follow with your Hard Your Shield. And you are going to see a different face in the mirror in a few weeks' time.
Dr. D, I can't thank you enough for a miraculous day.
Thank you so much.
On
Thank you.
Such a beautiful today's special value. And Sandy B is going to get us started on Saturday, a new day. It's the weekend, and Skechers is in the house.
Yes.
It's not just